Hi superhumans, welcome to my channel Connect to Krish. As you all know, SSC CGL 2024 Tier 2 exam is going to be conducted on 18th, 19th and 20th of January 2025. To help you clear in this exam, I will be solving previous year questions, that is, I will be solving SSC CGL 2023 Tier 2 questions. Please do watch this video. So superhumans, first question is, if P of A union B is equal to 5 by 9 and P of A naught union B naught is equal to 13 by 27 and P of A is equal to 11 by 18, then the odds against event B are. So I feel this question was wrong, because why I will tell you. Because suppose you take, this is A and this is some event A and I will denote event B by some with dotted lines. This is event B, then P of A union B is nothing but, this will be, I will shade it out, like P of A union B is nothing but this part, this out of this whole event, this whichever I have put slashes, that is P of A union B. So P of A union B, which is this part is nothing but, it is always greater than equal to P of, what is P of A? This circle, right? This circle is P of A, is always greater than equal to P of A. This we know. Now here P of A union B, it's given as 5 by 9, right? P of A union B is 5 by 9. Now I will multiply the numerator and denominator by 2. This will be nothing but 10 by 18. P of A union B is 10 by 18. P of A is 11 by 18. So this case will not, because we always know that P of A union B is always greater than or equal to P of A, but here that is not satisfying. So I feel this question is wrong, but putting that aside, how will we solve this question? So suppose we take here, the circle denotes some event A, right? So what is P of A naught? P of A naught is everything other than the circle, right? Because this circle denotes P of A. Then what P of A naught is nothing but this part, which is other than that circle, P of A naught. And similarly, let us take B with, let us denote B with some dotted lines. This dotted line circle denotes P of B. What is P of B naught? P of B naught is everything other than that circle, right? So now P of A naught union P of B naught. So now let's combine this. P of A naught, now this shaded part is nothing but P of A naught. This shaded part is nothing but P of B naught. P of A naught union P of B naught. Now this is P of A naught, this is P of B naught. So now P of A naught union P of B naught is nothing but this is P of A naught union P of B naught. Here we can see that this intersection part is not coming. This intersection part is not getting involved. So what will be the formula of P of A naught union P of B naught? P of A naught union P of B naught is nothing but 1 minus P of A intersection B, right? This is one formula which we need to remember. Now is event A, this dotted lines is event B. Now P of A union B. P of A union B is nothing but this part, right? So P of A union B is nothing but P of A plus P of B, this plus this, and this intersection part we are adding it twice, so we have to subtract it once. P of A intersection B. Now all we have to do is we will be using these two formulas. Now what it's given is P of A union B is nothing but 5 by 9 is equal to P of A is nothing but 11 by 18. P of B, let us take it some value x, minus, or I'll put it as P of B itself, plus P of B, because it might confuse you, minus P of A intersection B. Now here P of A intersection B we don't know, but here we will be using this formula. We know P of A naught union P of B naught. P of A naught union P of B naught 13 by 27 is nothing but equal to 1 minus P of A intersection B. So from here we will get P of A intersection B is nothing but 1 minus 13 by 27 is nothing but 14 by 27, right? Now we will substitute this 14 by 27 value here, minus 14 by 27. What will we get? We will get P of B is nothing but 5 by 9 plus 14 by 27 minus 11 by 18. Take 54 as LCM, 9 6 are 6 are 30, 2 are 28, minus 3 are 33, which is nothing but 25 by 54. 25 by 54. Now what has he asked in the question? Then the odds against event B are. Odds against event B means we have to find the value of P of B naught by P of B. P of B naught is nothing but 1 minus P of B, right? 1 minus probability of B by P of B. So what is P of B? We already found out that P of B is nothing but equal to 25 by 54. So 1 minus 25 by 54 by 25 by 54. This will be nothing but 29 by 25. So here option D is right. So superhumans, next question is, if A plus B can complete a job together in 12.5 days, B and C can complete the same job together in 18.75 days, while C and A can complete the same job together in 15 days, in how many days will A, B and C together be able to complete the same job alongside D, who is only 40% as efficient as C? So here first we will write timelines. Time, that is time taken by A and B. A and B, it's given as 12.5 days, so I will write it as 25 by 2. And B and C, time taken by B and C is nothing but 18.75. 0.75 I can write it as 3 by 4. 18 3 by 4 is nothing but 18 3 by 4. So in I can also write it as 18 into 72 plus 375 by 4. And while C and A can complete the same job together in 15 days. Now total work done will take LCM of these three. So whenever it's in fraction, we'll take LCM of only numerator. So LCM of 25, 75 and 15 is nothing but 75. Efficiency is nothing but work done by time taken. So here efficiency of A plus B is nothing but 6. Efficiency of B plus C is nothing but 4. Efficiency of A plus C is nothing but 5. Now if you add all these A plus B, B plus C and A plus C, you will get twice of A plus B plus C, which is also efficiency. So and this here 6 plus 4 plus 5 is nothing but 15. So this 15 is equal to twice of a plus b plus c. So we will get a plus b plus c is nothing but 15 by 2, which is equal to 7.5. And now he is given that D is 40% as efficient as C. So what is the efficiency of C? We know that a plus b is nothing but 6. So efficiency of C is nothing but 7.5 minus of a plus b, that is minus of 6. So efficiency of C is nothing but 1.5. Then what will be the efficiency of D? Efficiency of D will be nothing but 1.5 into 40% is nothing but 0.4, nothing but 0.6. So now all these A, B, C and D together complete this job. So now the work is obviously the same, that is 75. Now what is A plus B plus C plus D? Since all the 4 do the job, we will add efficiency of all 4 of them. So A plus B plus C plus D is nothing but 7.5 plus 0.6, because we know that A plus B plus C is nothing but 7.5. So 7.5 plus D is nothing but 0.6. So this will be nothing but 8.1. Time taken is nothing but work done by efficiency. It's nothing but work is 75, efficiency is 8.1. Remove the decimal, 750 by 81. It will cancel out with 3. 327s are 3 2s are 3. This will be nothing but 9, and 27 9s are 243. 7 by 27. So option D is right. So superhumans, next question is the average of 25, 46 and y is 11. What is the value of y? This is a bit easy question. So average is nothing but sum of all the observations by total number of observations. Sum of observations is nothing but average is nothing but sum of observations by total number of observations, right? So this is nothing but sum. What is sum? 25 plus 46 plus y. Total number of observations is nothing but 3 are there. So it is given to be 11. So this is nothing but y is nothing but is equal to 33 minus 46 plus 25 is 71, which is nothing but minus 38. So option D is right. So superhumans, next question is 80 liters of a mixture of spirit and water in the ratio 7:9 is present in a container A. 20 liters of the mixture is transferred to another container B. Then the container A is filled with 20 liters of water. Then 32 liters of the mixture is again transferred to container B. The ratio of water to spirit of mixture in container B is equal to. So this is a very lengthy question. So let us solve it from basics itself instead of complicating it, because you might miss out some points. So we'll solve point by point. So first let us take, there is a container A. There are two containers A and B. Here what is given is spirit is to water ratio is nothing but 7:9, right? Total this adds up to be 16. This total 16 is nothing but equal to 80 liters, because 80 liters of mixture is present in this container A. 80 liters is present in this container A. So which is also in the ratio 7:9. So this 7 and 9 add up to be 16. This 16 ratio is nothing but equal to 80 liters. So 16 ones are 5s are. So this will be nothing but 35 liters of spirit and 45 liters of water will be there, because 16 into 5 is equal to 80, right? In container A, 35 liters of spirit will be there and 45 liters of water will be there. Now what is he saying? 20 liters of the mixture is transferred to another container B. So 20 liters is transferred means 20 is what fraction of 80? 20 is nothing but 1/4, right? 1/4 of 80 is nothing but 20. So we are transferring 1/4 of this to container B. So 3/4 will be left here, right? So after first transfer, 3/4 will be left here and 1/4 we are transferring it to B. So into 3/4. 45 into 3/4. This will be the water present and this will be the spirit present. And how much are we transferring? 1/4, right? 1/4 of that by 4, 35/4, sorry, 35/4 and 45/4, because 1/4 we are transferring, right? This much liters of spirit and this much liters of water will be there, because the ratio in mixture, when you are transferring, the ratio of spirit and water not change, right? Now till this point we have covered. Then the container A is filled with 20 liters of water. So now we have to add we have to add 20 liters of water. So here I will be adding plus 20, right? This will be nothing but plus 20. Plus 20. Because water we are adding, A is filled with 20 liters of water. Next point. Then 32 liters of the mixture is again transferred to container B. Now 32 liters we have transferred 20 liters and we are again adding 20 liters. So first we have taken 20 liters of mixture out and we are adding 20 liters of water. So total will be same, right? So this total will add up to be 80. That is clear, right? So as we are adding 32 liters of mixture, as 32 liters of the mixture is again transferred to container B, what is 32 is nothing but, what is the fraction of 32 out of 80 is nothing but 8 4s are 8 10s are nothing but 2/5. So 2/5 of that we are transferring it to container B. So here what is 2/5 of this? This will be nothing but 35 into 3/4 into 2/5. 2/5 is nothing but, I won't cancel out this 4. I won't cancel out this 4 in the denominator, because again here also you need to add. So 2/5 is nothing but 5 7s are 7, 21, 42. 42/4 here. So we will be adding 42/4 to this, and 2/5 of this is 2/5 of this will be transferred into 2/5 plus 20 into 2/5, which is nothing but 9s are 9, 9s are 27, 54, 54, 16, 32, 54, 86. 86/4, right? These two will be adding. Now add them. What will be the ratio of these two? 35/4 plus 42/4. 37, 77/4. 77/4 is to 45/4, 86/4. 45 plus 86 is 131/4. So 77 is to 131. But be careful, he has asked the ratio of water to spirit of the mixture. So it will be nothing but 131 is to 77. So option A will be right. So friends, here again I will be explaining you clearly what we are doing is, what he has given is total mixture in A is 80 liters, right? And the ratio of spirit and water in that is 7:9. So what will be the total value of 7 and 9 is 16. So 16 will be equal to 80 liters. So each fraction of that will be equal to 5 liters. So now we will be multiplying this 7 with 5 and 9 with 5. So we will get 35 liters of spirit and 45 liters of water will be present in that container A. Now what he is saying is 20 liters of mixture is transferred to another container B. So 20 liters is 1/4 of 80 liters. So we are transferring 1/4 of this mixture to container B. So that is nothing but 35/4 and 45/4 we are transferring it to container B. Now then container A is filled with 20 liters of water. So you are taking out 20 liters of mixture and then again adding water. So the total quantity will be same, right, in the container A. and after that 32 liters of the mixture is again transferred to container B. So 32 liters is nothing but, what is the fraction of 32 out of 80 is 2 by 5. So we are transferring 2 by 5th of the mixture to container B. So what is 2 by 5th of this value? It is nothing but 42 by 4. And what is 2 by 5th of this value? It is nothing but 86 by 4. So we need to add these two, 35 by 4 plus 42 by 4 is nothing but 77 by 4, and 45 by 4 plus 86 by 4 is nothing but 131 by 4. But in question finally is asked ratio of spirit and water. So it will be nothing but 131 is to 77. And one more point, friends, suppose in exam I need to eliminate any option, then what I will do is, here what we are doing is, initially it is given that spirit is to water ratio is 7 is to 9, and we are transferring it to a mixture, we are transferring the mixture to B, and eventually we are adding water. So the water quantity is not reducing, water quantity is already increasing. So obviously the ratio of water will obviously be greater than in ratio, the water value will obviously be greater than spirit, because we are keep on adding the water, right? So this part will obviously be greater than this part. So this, there is a possibility that this can be the answer, but this, no, this not, possibility is not there, because this is less than this. This also it's not possible because this is less than this, because water ratio should be more, right? And here 87, yeah, this possibility of this is there because 87 is more than 41. So only options possible are A and D in this. So superhumans, next question is, 3 cards are drawn one after another with replacement from a pack of cards. What is the probability of getting first card a jack, second card a black card, and third card an even number card? So before we start this question, I will teach you some basic concepts in cards. Total number of cards in a pack will be 52. 52 will be the total number of cards. Out of these 52, 26 will be in black color and 26 will be in red. Out of this 52, 26 will be in black color, 26 will be in red. And in this red color, you can again subdivide it into diamonds and hearts. So diamond, there are 13 cards having diamond symbol, and hearts, in hearts there will be 13 cards. And in spade, within the black cards, number of spade cards will be 13, and number of club cards will be also 13. And in each category there will be one king card, one queen, one jack, one ace, and numbered cards from 2 to 10. So in each category, similarly here also, one king card in club, one queen card in club, one jack in club, one ace in club, and numbered cards from 2 to 10. Similarly here also, king, queen, jack, ace, and numbered cards from 2 to 10. And similarly here also, in hearts also, one king card in heart, one queen, one jack, one ace in heart, 2 to 10 numbered cards in heart. And here the face cards are nothing but king, queen, and jack. If you see a pack of cards, they'll have a face on them. That's why they are known as face cards. So king, queen, and jack are known as face cards. You know, all of these. So if they ask you total number of face cards, it will be nothing but 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3, that is nothing but 4 into 3, it is nothing but 12. So total number of face cards in this 52 is 12. Now coming back to this question, what he is saying is 3 cards are drawn one after another with replacement. That means what? You will, out of those 52 cards, you will draw one card. You will see it and then again you will put that card back, because you are replacing it. So the total number of cards will remain same, because you are always, out of these 3 cards drawn, every time you are taking the card, seeing it and then putting it back in that pack. So the total number of cards will not change. And next, what is the probability of getting first card a jack? So as I already told you, total number of jack cards will be nothing but 4, each from, one from spade, one from club, one from diamond, one from heart. So total number of jack cards will be nothing but 4 out of the total number of cards is nothing but 52. So 4 by 52. And now The second card is a black card. I already told you total number of black cards is nothing but 26. I told you that there are 26 black cards and 26 red cards. 26, and I already mentioned that total number of cards will be same, so 26 by 52. And next, third card being an even numbered card. So the numbered cards are from 2 to 10. So even numbered cards will be nothing but 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. Right? This is nothing but 5. But 5 from clubs, 5 from spade, 5 from hearts, 5 from diamonds. So total it will be nothing but 5 into 4, right? From each category these 5 will be there by 13 into 4, that is 52. Total will be same. So let's simplify this. This is nothing but 1 by 13 into 1 by 2 into 5 by 13. This will be a numerator, 5 will be there, 5 by 338. So here option C is right. So superhumans, next question is, the compound interest on rupees 10,000 at 20% per annum is rupees 4,641. If the compounding is done half yearly, then for how many years was the sum invested? Like generally in exam, what I will do is by looking at the question itself, I will tick option B. Why I will tell you. After that I will teach you how to solve it from basic. Why I will tick option B is, here suppose let us consider this is 4641, right? So this is nothing but 46.41 percentage of this 10,000. This 4641 is nothing but 46.41% of this 10,000. So now suppose let us take 20% component per annum itself, like instead of half yearly, if you will compound it yearly itself, then it will be nothing but 20% plus 20% plus 20% of this 20%, right? That is nothing but plus 4%. So total will be 44%. So even if you compound it yearly, it will reach 44% only, which is less than this. So it will not cross. It will not cross 2. It will not be 3, 4, 6. It will not cross 2. So I will tick option B. But if you want to do it from basic, then I will teach you how to do it. So here now this is the interest, right? This is 4641 is the interest. So total amount will be nothing but this principal amount plus this interest. So I will write principal amount plus this interest is 14641 by principal amount. Principal amount is nothing but 10,000. This will be equal to nothing but, now 20% is for per annum. So that is yearly. So half yearly it will be 10%, right? Half yearly interest rate will be 10%. It is half of this. So now this is nothing but 11 by 10, right? Because this will be 10%. 11 by 10 power n, because half yearly it will be 10%. So 11 by 10 power n is nothing but, now you can see this is nothing but 11 power 4. This is nothing. So here n will be equal to 4. Here n will be equal to 4, and this n value represents number of cycles. So 4 half yearly cycles. So 4 half yearly cycles. So it is nothing but 2 years. 4 half yearly cycles is equal to 2 years. So then for how many years was the sum invested? Is nothing but 2 years. So option B is right.